My boss, Dr. Victor Idokoe, is a philanthropist to begin with. Idokoe lives in the US. And being an Igbo man, one would expect him to take this kind of venture, multi-million naira project, to either Abuja or anywhere in the out of the town where he actually has lands. But being somebody who has the interest of his community at heart, and then he believes in that slogan that charity begins at home, and that is why we have this project here in Umoji. Now his reason is simple. I've asked him a couple of times, don't you think while making mistakes, bringing this kind of project here? And he said no, that even while his late father was alive, he already promised his father when he was going abroad that if he makes money as the Lord blesses him, he will begin investments in Nigeria from his hometown. And that was what brought about this project here. Now, what is his aim? His aim is to create job for the Umojans. If you go around the hotel, as I know you surely do, you'll meet most of the people working here as people from this town. We also have others from other parts of Anambra, like myself. I'm from Andazian in Anambra State. But you can see I'm privileged to be working here because somebody dared to build this kind of project here. Now, we have other people who are working from all walks of life, from Benue, from Rivers, and we're all here because somebody dared to do this.
And then last time he told us that he would do this road, and to our surprise, he has already done the road, and he's even still doing it down there.
You don't move on as Abronono. That name is not just a title. He has earned it. He was the chairman of UIU, the Umoji Development Union in America, and they didn't just give it to him because he deserved it. No, they gave it to him. They gave it to him because he earned it. He has worked so much. He has invested so much in his people, both abroad and here. All right, so he earned it, and that name is not just a title, but something he has earned.
If you look, you see that the work is still going on. Oh, yeah, okay, you boy, Idumoji. So if you look on them, I'm not kucha. I see no.
Boston Hills Resort and Hotels.
Okay.
Umoji. It's going to be 3 years officially in a couple of days. This hotel was built and officially opened, commissioned in 2022. Yes, on the 29th of December 2022. And this hotel has 40 rooms, beautiful rooms, built with the standard of what we have outside the country.
Okay.
Now, I live in Abuja before coming to work here. This is the kind of thing we see in Abuja. If you look at this hotel, as I said earlier, Boston Hills is a 5-star hotel.
Okay.
Now, what made it 5-star? The standard of room, the standard of bed, the standard of services, the kind of food we offer. We offer cuisines from around the world, not just the Anambra cuisine, no. Cuisines from around Nigeria and outside the country. As you see from our event center, we have Mexican kitchen. And now from that Mexican kitchen, we produce strictly things from outside the country. So whatever you want to eat that is found abroad is found here. Whatever you want to eat within Nigeria that is found in Nigeria is found here. We also have a swimming pool over there. We have fitness center. There are a whole lot we have to make life beautiful. And then most importantly to add, this hotel is built away from the road. And it was done deliberately. Why? We want people to finish, going around their various duty in the Onitsha Metropolitans and Oka and all of those, and then come back to a place like this and have cool night's sleep, rest. Run away from the noises of the town and all of those. Because he lives abroad, we have tech guys who monitor these CCTVs on our behalf in Nigeria at night. Okay. So because it is good morning Nigeria and good night over there. So when it is good morning there, it is good night here. Yeah. So these tech guys see to it that there's surveillance here, even when we're asleep. Although we also have the on-site security men available.
So this is our presidential suite. Okay. It comes with room and parlor, double AC, double television. All right. There's AC here. And we also have another AC. So
wow.
This is our presidential suite.
Hey!
And the bed is very comfortable.
I have never slept in a presidential suite before in any hotel since I was born. You understand? And I want you people to lodge me in this particular one. I want you to lodge me in this particular one so that I can test how, presidential room feel like.
Here we are again, at Boston Hills Lounge, Garden and Club. Okay. And this is also a Virgin event center that can host men of timber and caliber, including our own very governor, Professor Soludo, and his cabinet member, in case they have programs to do in Anambra State. We are calling on them to come to this kind of very beautiful place, a serene environment where they can have all that they want. Now, here we have our fitness center. Let's go in and say it.
Hello guys, this is Creative Law TV. We are live and direct today in Umoji in Anambra State. So guys, today we are live and direct in Boston Hill Resort and Hotel Limited. So this is one of the best hotels in Anambra State, and it was built in the village, owned by our boss Ide Umoji, Ide Jogugu. or somebody, a member of People's Club of Nigeria, or somebody that loves his people, his community, somebody that doesn't joke with, always what he's thinking is about what we, promote his village, what will bring development to his village. And that's why he put up this massive structure, massive hotel, one of the best in Anambra State, in his village. And today we are live and direct here to show you this amazing stuff, where you can rest assured that when you come here in this Christmas time, you will definitely, be pampered, because they pamper people here. You want to go? The man we are talking about, based in America. Yes, when I say America, USA. That is where this man we are talking about based. But he chose to build this massive structure in his village. You understand? Not only that, he built only hotel. There's a lot of things going on in this particular hotel, which will be taking you guys around one after the other. You'll be seeing it with your eyes, because seeing is believing. You want to go for somebody to put up something like this in the village? I can categorically tell you guys that he didn't build it for profit. I can put it that way, because if hotel business, he can choose to build it in Alka, anywhere, and make a lot of money. But he chose in his village to bring development, to bring employment for his people. And this is a place where you lodge, you will have peace of mind. Everywhere calm. So look at the environment. How flower designed everywhere. It looks like that American standard. You want to go? So let's go and meet somebody who will take us around this place and show us what they have, man. Because this is Boston Hotel and Resort. Check it out.
In this hotel, they have security, they have inner lounge, they have swimming pool, they have intercontinental kitchen where you can eat American dishes and then Mexican style of food. In short, any international food you like, if you want to eat it, you get it here. Then they have local kitchen also where you can eat our egusi and ofak, all those nkai now. So then they have executive rooms, they have any kind of luxury rooms. In short, security and the light is 24 hours. So, and they have international standard gym. Like, you know, somebody who based in USA, they don't do something, they don't manage things. And being a member of People of Nigeria International, they always do something extraordinary. So this hotel belongs to a member. This hotel belongs to somebody who based in USA. That's the #1 country in the world. So everything here is unique, and there's no need to wait or waste your time. So when I say, if you are in Anambra, you are coming for Christmas, you are coming to Anambra State, just find yourself to Umoji and try this hotel. You will thank me later. Let's go in short so that you see the magic this great man creates and is created and still creating. This is massive, man. In his village, this is the unique thing that always brings us here. Do you understand? Let me tell you, this is village. In Umoji, Umoji has a town like a town like in the heart of a town where people can say, okay, let me go to this place and buy something. That place is a town, Umoji town. But he left everywhere and bring this big like industry to a village in Umoji, and that place practically developed immediately because of the kind of investment he brought. And that man is so much. Not only that he has already constructed the road here. Do you understand? And then last time he told us that he would do this road, and to our surprise, he has already done the road, and he's still doing it down there. So this is a Kweme social club, and if you look, you see that the work is still going on. Oh yeah, ideji ogbugbu ya bụ idumoji. So ife o kwuru ka ọ na-eme, ọ bụrụ ndị ọrụ ekwucha asị na ka etu ọnụ ọ dị etu ọnụ. So to not waste your time, let's go and see what is inside the Mexican style of event center, and the gym, and the Mexican style of food and varieties of everything here is international standard. All right, so let's go.
And another amazing thing about this Boston Hotel and Resort is they have a shuttle, a car, whichever luxury car you want. They can use it and come and pick you up in airport, in anywhere you want. Just give them a call and they will come and pick you. Everything here is luxury. Let's go and meet somebody who will tell us about this particular man. Because for the man Oboda, it's too much. You want to go? If for the man Oboda, his philanthropic work is just so massive, man. Let's go meet Unumoji.
Morning.
Yeah. So, who am I greeting, or who is greeting?
My name is Miss Vivian Ujunwa Akobode, the
Miss-
General Manager for Boston Hills Resort and Hotels.
Okay, the general manager. Okay, let me put microphone so that when you talk, people can hear you very well.
Thank you.
So I think let's just go this side.
All right. My name is Miss Vivian Jonwa Akubude, the privileged general manager of Boston Hills Resort and Hotels, Umoji, Anambra State.
Okay, so this Boston here
Yeah.
hotel and resort Umoji. So what do you have to tell us about the owner of this hotel, Idumoji, who gave mind to come and build this kind of hotel in this village? It's not even that he built it in the
Beautiful.
heart of Umoji,
Beautiful.
but it's inside.
Beautiful question.
Okay.
Well, my boss, Dr. Victor Idokoye, is a philanthropist to begin with. Idokoye lives in the US, and being an Igbo man, one would expect him to take this kind of venture, multi-million naira project, to either Abuja or anywhere in the out of the town where he actually has lands. But being somebody who has the interest of his community at heart, and then he believes in that slogan that charity begins at home, and that is why we have this project here in Umoji. Now his reason is simple. I've asked him a couple of times, don't you think while making mistake bringing this kind of project here? And he said no, that even while his late father was alive, he already promised his father when he was going abroad that if he makes money as the Lord blesses him, he will begin investments in Nigeria from his hometown. And that was what brought about this project here. Now, what is his aim? His aim is to create job for the Umojans. If you go around the hotel, as I know you surely do, you'll meet most of the people working here as people from this town. We also have others from other parts of Anambra, like myself. I'm from Andazian in Anambra State. But you can see I'm privileged to be working here because somebody dared to build this kind of project here. Now, we have other people who are working from all walks of life, from Benue, from Rivers, and we're all here because somebody dared to do this job. Now, outside the Boston Hills, I told you earlier that Idokoye is a philanthropist. Now, how do I mean? There are evidences. You can see the roads he started building. You can see this project he did to, see to it that the masses are getting, daily pays from here, even though he's not making much already, right? It's going to take some time. Again, we have the healthcare center at somewhere around Encore in this same town, built by him, functioning even now. You can, make your findings and find out. We have series of children he pays their school fees, family from US. All right, he makes money abroad from the white man and spends it on the Nigerian, which is very good. Also have widows he's taking care of. A lot of them, a lot of things. You can even go around on the street and ask those of them who are from this town, who are beneficiaries of his benevolence. Thank you.
Wow. So all this thing is what he is doing, and he's not doing it because he's getting anything from it. He just,
Well,
he loves his people. I can put it that way.
thank you so much. Of course, when you give to the poor, what can the poor give to you?
Nothing.
So you
Prayer.
can see, this is somebody who has the interest of the poor. And he believes that for one person to be rich is a burden, which is actually true. If it helps other young men, promising young people to come out of their poverty, it will mean that in the next future, in the nearest future, we'll have more and more big boys coming from Umoji because somebody dared to help them. So that is his aim. He doesn't have anything. He's looking at getting.
Ide Umoja. That's why he's called Ide.
Ide
But for
Umoji.
somebody to answer Ide, everybody can answer that name.
One is Yoko. Ide Umoji on Azaburo no. That name is not just a title. He has earned it. He was the chairman of UIU, the Umoji Development Union in America, and they didn't just give it to him because he deserved it. No, they gave it to him. They gave it to him because he earned it. He has worked so much. He has invested so much in his people, both abroad and here. All right, so he earned it, and that name is not just a title, but something he has earned.
Can you tell us about this hotel?
Okay, Boston Hills Resort and Hotels.
Okay.
Umoji. It's going to be 3 years officially in a couple of days. This hotel was built and officially opened, commissioned in 2022, yes, on the 29th of December 2022. And this hotel has 40 rooms, beautiful rooms, built with the standard of what we have outside the country.
Okay.
Now, I live in Abuja before coming to work here. This is the kind of thing we see in Abuja. So people who have been here can attest to that. Now, these rooms are fully furnished. We have ACs. We have everything that makes life comfortable in it. Okay. And what about our services? We have trained personnel, people who are educated like myself. We have those who have passion for hospitality working here. And with them, this hotel has been moving from glory to glory. You see, we're just barely 3 years. Yes, we're going to be 3 years officially on the 29th of December. And this brainchild of Idokoye has, done a lot.
Okay.
A whole lot.
Okay.
So, and we're in festive period, we're calling out on people to see to it that if they have programs around here, that they find this place worthy of their program. security, we have security.
Okay.
We have online security men. We have 24 hours CCTV on. And then, because he lives abroad, we have guys, tech guys, who monitor these CCTVs on our behalf in Nigeria at night.
Okay.
So because it is good morning Nigeria and good night over there. So when it is good morning there, it is good night here.
Yeah.
So these tech guys see to it that there's surveillance here, even when we're asleep. Although we also have the on-site security men available.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Is there any other facilities, something attractive that can bring people here? You guys have here?
Beautiful. Now, if you look at this hotel, as I said earlier, Boston Hills is a 5-star hotel.
Okay.
Now, what made it 5-star? The standard of room, the standard of bed, the standard of services, the kind of food we offer. We offer cuisines from around the world, not just the Anambra cuisine, no. Cuisines from around Nigeria and outside the country. As you see from our event center, we have Mexican kitchen. And now from that Mexican kitchen, we produce strictly things from outside the country. So whatever you want to eat that is found abroad is found here. Whatever you want to eat within Nigeria that is found in Nigeria is found here. We also have a swimming pool over there. We have fitness center. There are a whole lot we have to make life beautiful. And then most importantly to add, this hotel is built away from the road. And it was done deliberately. Why? We want people to finish, going around their various duty in the Onitsha Metropolitan and Oka and all of those, and then come back to a place like this and have cool night sleep, rest. Run away from the noises of the town and all of those.
Yeah.
So this is what we hope to achieve.
So that means she's practically saying that when you lodge here, there is peace of mind.
Peace of mind.
There is that kind of cool breeze that you'll be receiving here, because there will be no noise, there will be no kind of any sound.
You can increase the volume.
When you are here, you are just it's like you're
in for relaxation. That kind of comfort you get in heaven, that's what you get here. With the kind of services you meet.
Heaven. Have you ever been in heaven?
Yes, I go there in my dreams. It's a beautiful place. The services you have, the kind of people you meet, we have trained personnel. People who talk to you well. Not when you finish getting insulted from your workplace, you come back here. No. You come here, you meet people who love you from their heart, even though they're meeting you for the first time, because they've been trained to do so. And then we'll have standard environment. We'll have treated pool. We have fitness center for you to keep fit. We have a whole lot you can enjoy here.
What if somebody wants you people to come and pick them somewhere?
Beautiful. Please look around. We have cars. I don't mean motor, we have cars. Now, our cars can pick you up from the airport or from wherever you're going, to pick you up and then take you back at any time. Our shuttle runs 24 hours. We run 24-hour services.
Wow. What if somebody wants to book online?
That's also open. You can book online at Boston Hills. Then we'll have our numbers. You can always call us should you have any reason.
Is there a website for this hotel?
Beautiful. Yes, there is. www.bostonhillshotel.com.
Oh, really?
Yes.
This is exactly 5-star hotel. And this was built by Idumoji. And this was built in a village so that people will come home and develop their village. So people don't like talking too much. They believe in seeing is believing. Can you just show us what you have mentioned so that they will see it and know, yeah, this is actually 5-star.
Beautiful. Okay, let me hand you over to our marketing manager who will show you around.
You are not the one to show us around.
I'd like him to show you around.
Our viewers will complain. No. They will definitely complain.
Okay, let me take you around if you want me to do so. Otherwise, our marketing manager would have taken you around.
Oh, really? Let him say something. Bring him in.
Thank you.
Welcome to Boston Hill. Good evening.
All right. Thank you. What's the name?
My name is Sonye Miracle, and I'm the marketing manager of this hotel.
Okay. So what do you guys have? Just take us around this, massive.
Okay, I'll show you. Like, this place is our reception.
Okay.
So this is our walkway. Let me show you some of our rooms.
Okay.
Jesus.
This is, you see how everywhere is neat, clean.
So this is our standard room.
So what do you, standard room is just normal room?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is our standard room.
There is AC.
There's fan. And it is very pertinent to note that we run on 24-hour electric supply. Okay. We have Lista, we have generator, we use solar. So we have 24/7 electricity here. So,
and guys, this bed is imported. This is not Nigeria bed.
Yes. With the most of the things we use here, they are imported.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, this is so beautiful. Show us another one.
Okay. Just follow me.
Don't worry, let me close.
Okay.
clean. Show them around the beauty of the hotel. How clean it is.
Okay.
Yo, ah. Room 301, 306. No, my friend happened at 301.
So this is our business suite.
Okay.
This is one of our rooms. This is the business suite.
Wow. This is business suite.
Yes, yes.
Wow. So the only difference is the room is wider.
Yeah.
There's a coach here.
Yes.
I think two of them. This is so beautiful. Wow. So this place, the air condition is here also.
And it's working. It's very active.
Okay. So come, let's show them the toilets, because toilet is very, very important.
We also have intercom, so you don't need to come down in case you need anything. From here, you can call the reception, you can call the bar, you can call the kitchen,
Yeah.
and you can also call the manager. Anything.
Okay. So let's check out the toilet. Toilet is a very important stuff in a hotel. So every room, the toilet is very important.
This is our hotel. We have water heater.
Okay. There's water heater, and everything is modern.
Yeah.
So this is beautiful, man.
And everything is working.
Everything is working perfectly.
We don't have any faulty appliances.
Okay.
So this is our wardrobe. We also have wardrobe.
Where you can hang your clothes or whatever you like. Okay.
And one beautiful thing about this room is that we also have fridge.
Okay.
This room comes with fridge.
Okay.
So you can put your drinks, anything. You have more space for yourself and your friend, partner, wife,
Anything, anybody.
anybody at all.
So this is
This
beautiful.
is the business suite.
All right.
So
This room is what?
this is our executive room, executive suite.
So this is an executive suite.
Yeah.
Wow.
Everything that is in the business is also here. There's fridge, there's wardrobe, and there's active AC. There's active AC. Then we also have standard restroom.
Everything is working.
Everything
The
is
heater,
working. The heater is working.
the shower.
The shower, everything.
All right. So no smoking, no hard drug.
We don't allow smoking
not allowed
inside.
here.
If you want to smoke, you go elsewhere, but you don't smoke inside the building.
Okay.
Let me show you one more room. That's our presidential suite.
Okay.
So this is our presidential suite.
Okay.
It comes with room and parlor, double AC, double television.
All right.
There's AC here. And we also have another AC. So
Wow.
this is our presidential suite.
Hey,
And the bed is very comfortable.
I have never slept in a presidential suite before in any hotel since I was born. You understand? And I want you people to lodge me in this particular one. I want you to lodge me in this particular one so that I can test how presidential room feel like. You want to go?
And the sweetest part of it is that this our presidential suite is very affordable.
Okay.
It's very affordable.
So the price will not be problem.
No, the price will never be a problem. It cannot.
Wow. So this is beautiful.
Yeah, this is the wardrobe where you can keep your valuables.
Wow.
And this is the restroom.
Okay. Everything is working.
Yeah.
It's perfect.
And our presidential suite also comes with a very perfect view site where you can always come and view your surroundings.
Okay. This is like the balcony.
Yes.
Wow, that's beautiful. You can be here and be viewing the outside.
Yeah, everything that's happening.
This is beautiful. So let's go. So this is like the parlor, right?
Yes.
Or the waiting room or whatever.
It can serve as a parlor, as a waiting room, depending on whatever you want to call it.
Wow. So you know when you lodge me in the presidential room,
Yes.
you have to wait for me here because I'm doing something. I don't know whether I'm having meeting or inquiry inside the room, but you have to wait for me in this waiting room, in this parlor. I want to experience this. You understand? Like I have never been in a presidential hotel room, and I need to test how it feels. You know how it feels like I'm inside and someone is waiting for me in this little waiting room. It's not beautiful. Take me a picture. I will remember that this is my first time even entering and sitting in presidential room. It's so beautiful, man.
And while you are waiting, you can also watch television, any channel of your choice, and there's still AC that will be chilling you, so you don't need to be bothered. Nothing like
Even
sweat.
even this waiting room is more than it should be even a room on its own. This is beautiful.
That's why it is called our presidential suite.
It's beautiful. This is restaurant VIP lounge.
Yeah, this is our restaurant and our VIP lounge.
Okay. So let's check out how cool it is.
And it's very spacious.
Wow.
We have up to 4 AC, 3 television. So any corner you are seated, you'll still be entertained.
And all of them is functioning.
Everything is functioning. You can see it. All the televisions, they are on.
And there's one thing I love in this particular executive VIP lounge. What I love is the seat. Just check out the seat. You will know that it's not the regular type of seat you see anywhere. Very quality. Well clean. Very neat, man. I love it. And here is like the bar.
Yeah, the bar. We sell all kinds of drink.
Okay.
Just mention your brand, we have it.
All right. So, Boston Hill Hotel and Resort is expecting you in this Christmas time.
Yes, so
in this holiday season, come and experience luxury in its beauty, in its reality. You will definitely feel it.
this our VIP bar also have its own restroom.
Okay.
So you don't need to go outside.
That's
Just
why it's
enjoy.
VIP.
Yes.
All right.
From here, from this our VIP bar, you can watch people swimming outside. Let's go. Let me show you. So this is our pool bar. This is our pool bar. You swim, you drink.
So this is where you can have your pool party.
Yes.
You can come here and flex. And when you lodge here, you can come here and have your pool time. You understand?
So when you lodge here, one thing about our hotel is that when you lodge here, you are entitled to swim free. You also enjoy our gym free.
This is beautiful. Like here, you can order whatever you want to order, drink. You can see people having their, the best time of their life, enjoy themselves. This is so beautiful.
Okay, here we are again at Boston Hills Lounge, Garden and Club. Now this is also a Virgin event center that can host men of timber and caliber, including our own very governor, Professor Soludo, and his cabinet member, in case they have programs to do in Anambra State. We are calling on them to come to this kind of very beautiful place, a serene environment where they can have all that they want. Now, here we have our fitness center. Let's go in and say it. Phoenix Fitness.
Yeah, I can call it that way. Woo! This is so beautiful.
Thank you very much. So this is our Phoenix Fitness Center for your relaxation. So as you hustle, you walk in the town, you come back here, you relax, and then from here we'll have the bar over there. I would like us to see it too. Feel free to run on them if you want.
This is so beautiful.
You can say that again, sir.
When you lodge in Boston Hill Hotel and Resort, you have access to all this.
Yes, of course.
So this is normal one.
Yeah.
Maybe I don't go break my leg.
No, you won't.
So you can have access to all this when you lodge.
Once you are lodged in a hotel, you can have access to all this. And even when you make use of our event center, you can also use this.
All right. So let's go and check.
So over there we have our Mexican kitchen, where we make dishes from around the globe. That's our Mexican kitchen, where we make.
So this
Beautiful
thing you
dishes.
called, this place you call Mexican kitchen.
Yes.
Do you guys prepare, Mexican foods?
We prepare
Mexican delicacies.
We prepare delicacies from across the globe, intercontinental dishes. Whatever it is you want to eat abroad, just come here. We'll have it here.
Really?
And then not just the dishes, we also have snacks.
Okay.
We have shawarma. We have every kind of snacks you can think of, and then you want to eat.
Okay.
Yes, feel free. And I also have snookers, so as you're drinking here at the bar, you can also play games with your friends. Because all work cannot play the same, make Jack a double.
Mano, it's okay.
Yeah.
So you can have your relaxing place outside here.
Sure.
Enjoy yourself and
Sure.
have a piece of
And
mind.
over there we have the new Virgin Event Center proper, the hall.
Let's go check it out.
Beautiful hall, you will like it.
Let's go check it out.
Why not?
So you said that this is a virgin.
The hymen has not been broken, you
A
like
virgin
it. A Virgin Event Center.
event center.
Yes.
Who is going to this virgin? It? I'm
Please, we
curious
are
to
calling
know.
on people to come and this Virgin is this. You can see.
Woo. This is beautiful. This
We
is
have AC
500.
on every side. So once you're here, you want to have your indoor program, you want to have outdoor program, whatever it is you want to have, your wedding ceremonies, you have shows in Anambra State, or you even have cabinet meetings in case you're a politician. This is the best place to come. Why? Because it is spacious. Because you have full AC here. Why? Because we have security. And also a shuttle in case you want to go in and out, bringing your things for your show and all of those. So this is the right place for anybody in Anambra State to be.
Wow, this is beautiful. Fully equipped with AC.
Very beautiful.
Very, very, balanced. Here you can accommodate up to 500 people and above.
Comfortably.
And here, everything here is imported. This is original.
And we have proper sound system, so you don't have to be talking and then it's recording and all of those.
That is why he's called the Ide Umoji. A member, People's Club of Nigeria. And the People's Club of Nigeria, they are managing things. Whenever they do stuff, they do it at its best.
You understand?
They make it, they do, anything they do original.
They are outstanding in all they do.
Perfect. Ide Umoji,
so please, I'm calling on people to come around here, especially in this season, and have their functions here.
It's beautiful.
Thank you.